Monkey King, Master of the Clouds. Monkey King, Master of the Clouds. The Infectious Madness of Dr. Dekker. The Infectious Madness of Dr. Dekker. Mega Man X Legacy Collection. Mega Man X Legacy Collection. Moonlighter. Moonlighter. Yoku's Island Express. Yoku's Island Express. This is the police. This is the police. Agents of Mayhem. Agents of Mayhem. Fallen Legion, Sins of an Empire. Fallen Legion, Sins of an Empire. Striker's Edge. Striker's Edge. Poop Slinger. Poop Slinger. Atari Flashback Classics Ball. Atari Flashback Classics Ball. Yakuza Kiwami. Yakuza Kiwami. Shiny a Robotic Adventure. Shiny a Robotic Adventure. Gravity Rushdom 2. Gravity Rushdom 2. OKAMI HD. OKAMI HD. Kingdom New Lands. Kingdom New Lands. Wordhunters. Wordhunters. Mega Man X Legacy Collection 2. Mega Man X Legacy Collection 2. Deer Hunter Reloaded. Deer Hunter Reloaded. Fallen Legion, Flames of Rebellion. Fallen Legion, Flames of Rebellion. Rapala Fishing Pro Series. Rapala Fishing Pro Series. Heavy Fire Red Shadow. Heavy Fire Red Shadow. AER Memories of Old. AER Memories of Old. Defender's Quest Valley of the Forgotten DX. Defender's Quest Valley of the Forgotten DX. Rad Rodgers. Rad Rodgers. Anima, Gate of Memories, The Nameless Chronicles. Anima, Gate of Memories, The Nameless Chronicles. The Blob. The Blob. Crossing Souls. Crossing Souls. 3D Billiards. 3D Billiards. Knack 2. Knack 2. Just deal with it. Just deal with it. Yakuza 0. Yakuza 0, NASCAR Heat 2, NASCAR Heat 2, Grave Danger, Grave Danger, Baseball 18, Baseball 18, Shift Quantum, Shift Quantum, Tales of the Tiny Planet, Tales of the Tiny Planet, Sonic Mania, Sonic Mania, Burnout in Paradise Remastered, Burnout in Paradise Remastered, Resident Evil Revelations, Resident Evil Revelations, Valkyrian Arc Hero School Story, Valkyrian Arc Hero School Story, Moonfall Ultimate, Moonfall Ultimate, Sky Hill, Sky Hill, Gran Turismo Sport, Gran Turismo Sport, Undertale, Undertale, Double Switch 25th Anniversary Edition, Double Switch 25th Anniversary Edition, Slime Rancher, Slime Rancher, Uncharted: The Lost Legacy, Uncharted: The Lost Legacy, Shadow of the Colossus, Shadow of the Colossus, Horizon Zero Dawn Complete Edition, Horizon Zero Dawn Complete Edition.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.